Magandang hapon po ng March 12, 2024 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 12, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, March 12, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 12, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimate of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimate is 48.5 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimate is 5.9 million pesos for Tuesday, March 12, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for March 12, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.